We are seeing the Department of Biotechnology. Under the Ministry of Science and Technology, Department of Biotechnology is also providing some kind of grant to the researcher in the field of technology. It is established in 1986. The objective of this technology department is to give the impetus to the development of the field of modern biology and biotechnology in India. Research and development areas like agriculture, animal biotechnology, aquaculture, environmental biotech, food biotech, medical biotechnology, plant biotechnology, sericulture biotechnology, crop biotechnology, basic research, biofertilizers, biopesticide and crop management, biotech product and process development, biotechnology of medical and aromatic plants, human genetic and stem cell research. So, all kind of different areas are mentioned here for the researchers, those who would like to work in the field of science and technology. For the more details, you can visit to Department of Biotechnology website. Department of Biotechnology, which is under Ministry of Science and Technology, are providing small business innovation research initiative. The proposal can be submitted solely by an industry or jointly by industry and national research and development organization and universities and institute, by a group of industries, user, national research organization, university and institute. So, this is the good promotion for the collaboration in the field of science and technology. There is another funding agency is well known, that DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. DRDO is working in various areas of military technology, which include aeronautics, armaments, combat vehicles, electronics, instrumentation engineering system, missiles, materials, naval system and different parts of DRDO section. DRDO has identified the following topics for future research. The various project proposals are invited from the universities and other academic institutes, colleges and R&D centers with innovative ideas, the outcome of which will benefit of various DRDO's ongoing and futuristic programs. Following agencies supported to scientific research and pilot project programs in Auroville and the neighboring villages over the past decade, mainly in the field of environmental restoration, organic farming, rural development, health, education, renewable energy, appropriate building technology, innovative urban planning, arts and culture. There is another funding agency is that ICAR. ICAR is established in 1929. It is coordinate agriculture research and development programs and to develop the linkage at national and international level with related organization to enhance the quality of the life of farming community, focusing on basically farmer and agriculture. ICAR support a number of short term ad hoc research schemes implemented by the scientists in the various colleges, universities and institute. The major focus of ICSR is giving on agriculture and extension with the help of agriculture universities. The another funding agency is well known, that Indian Council of Social Science Research, ICSSR. It is established in the year of 1969 by the Government of India to promote the research in the field of social science in the country. It is autonomous body under the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. It receives 100% grant from the Ministry of Human Resource Development for its various programs and activities. ICSSR provides grant to the scholar to conduct research in various fields of social science which have a theoretical, conceptual, methodological or policy oriented research on the subject of their choices. Nowadays, ICSSR is started new funding program, that is IMPRESS, given near about 400 crore rupees for the social sciences areas. namely as democracy and related all the areas of social sciences. There is another funding agency is that Indian Council of Medical Research. Indian Council Medical Research priorities coincide with the national health priorities such as control and management of communicable disease, fertility control, maternal and child health, control of nutritional disorders, developing alternative strategies for health care delivery, containment within safety limits of environmental, occupational health problems, and ICMR is also demanding and provided fund for the non-communicable disease like cancer, cardiovascular disease, blindness, diabetes and other metabolic and other disorders. There is also some areas just like mental health research and drug research. ICMR is the apex body in India for the formulation and coordination and promotion of biomedical research in India. The ICMR is funded by the Government of India through the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The council promotes biomedical research in the country through intramural as well as extramural research. The council promotes biomedical research in the country through intramural and as well as extramural research. Indian Council of Medical Research encourages human resource development in biomedical research through research fellowship, short term visiting fellowship, short term research studentship and various training programs and workshops in the field of medical.